We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to have a quick update for Iota based on 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we have been looking for buy. This is what we get, and there was a down move because after that we didn't have any update, and we get this down move since most of the charts we get, and even in my analysis for other charts, we mentioned most of the chart they get a correction here. That's why most of the analysis was similar to each other. Okay. By the way, this is what we were expected. We get the reversal, and now we want to see what's the next. How we can look at this part. Mostly, we're looking for the correction for and buy. Okay. The question is whether we can expect this one turn to be correction or not. I want to see what we have. And if we move to higher time frame, we move to daily chart. The only thing is we have been looking at this up move. The only thing is we get the 1 day candle with the we came up with this peak shadow. Okay, now we cannot confirm whether this one can be relative to any of this or not, because as we can see, this is what we get. We have this shadow. All right, that's why still we can look for continuation. And even still, if we put this top and relative to the previous one, we see whether we have a divergence. Yes, and as well here. Okay, mostly as I mentioned, we're looking based on lower time frame. We're looking for the trade setup for continuation for buy. We're not looking for the reversal. Maybe we can expect to get a correction, and similar to what we have here. Now the things is whether this is the only correction or we can expect this one to be a correction before we get the next move. Okay, the only things I can say for me, if I get any buy setup from here, I will take the buy and I will look for the sharp move, not the corrective move. And with the breakout of this top, I will start to manage. Okay, this is what we can say right now based on what we have. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we will see similar things what I, as I explained based on forward chart. The best things is if this one tend to be correction. Any buy from here, I will take it, and with the breakout of this top, I will start to manage. But right now, we don't have the buy setup, but still we can have entry above this. But what we're looking by having entry above this, what I'm looking for, I'm looking for the sharp move to break. But if the price tag, I see even within the first hours, I still is not moving, I will take out the trade. I want to stay with the trade. And we should note that may this one give us one more drop. This one tend to bigger and more complex correction. Okay, we are not looking for the down move. We should know about this. And any correction, any buy setup from here, I will take the trade. And even we can have entry above this, but we should know that having entry above this simply price can tag and reverse. We should know how to manage what we're looking for. We're looking for the price tag and continue. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.